In today's video, I've brought for you very simple and easy, just 1 minute belly fat exercises, and you're sure gonna love it because they're so easy. You can actually do it just sitting in a chair. You can actually do these exercises any time of the day, anywhere. It's completely beginner friendly and it's so easy. You can actually do it literally twice or thrice a day also to get those toned and tightened ab muscles. Now, who doesn't want a flat stomach and fit in your favorite dresses? But what is causing the hindrance is the timing, the discipline to go out to the gym or make an effort. But these exercises are completely effortless. You won't even know. Just keep practicing these exercises and in no time you'll actually have a flat and toned ab. I've been there, done that, all tried and tested. And the only absolutely effective exercises are those which you can actually do in the comfort of your home, just sitting in a chair. Because you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to take out time. Anytime you're sitting, be it on a chair or a couch, you can do these exercises easily. Come on, let's start together by just sitting in a chair with your spine absolutely straight and your shoulders also pushed backwards. And you're going to keep your core absolutely tight. This is how I want you to do this exercise. You're not going to bend all the way down or curve your neck muscles. You're just going to curve your spine slightly. So there's a very strong contraction right in the abdominal muscles. You're going to suck your stomach, your navel all the way in, and then release, come back up, exhale, then again inhale. You can actually feel the tightening and toning of your abdominal muscles very close to the navel area, and that is exactly the area we want to target. The next exercise is a very simple, targeting your lower belly fat. You just have to sit straight in a chair and lift one leg up and try and touch your toes. Let's do it together. For the next exercise, again we're going to sit absolutely straight but slightly at the edge of our chair. And then we're going to lift our knees just like this and try and touch our knees. Come all the way up as high as you can. Do it like this. Come along, let's do it together. Come on now, get your act together, eat healthy, drink about 3 to 4 liters of water daily, get your 8 to 9 hours of sleep and do these exercises. You're sure to see results. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.